Christmas break has officially begun, and they just announced that the skating rink downtown here in my city is open, and I'm so excited. I love skating. I used to do it when I was a kid. I used to take like little skating lessons. I never really got like super good at it or anything, but I do enjoy doing it. I remember we used to like put on these little shows and we had all these little costumes, and one time we did the Care Bears and they gave me Grumpy Bear, which is pretty accurate some days. And I don't know if you guys remember those great big parachute-y type things that we would use in gym class that had all different colors. We had that on ice one time and we were dressed like aliens, and that was our like UFO. Anyways, it was a lot of fun, but I was like 7 or 8 years old. But when I'm skating, it kind of makes me feel like I'm that kid again. It's so quiet here. There's nobody here, it's just me. I'm having so much fun.
Why they did build it when they're at max capacity here in the morning. Makes it a lot easier to flow into the Magic Kingdom, more efficient. On days like today, it makes me feel really thankful that I run a YouTube channel where I get to come to Disney pretty much every day. So thank you guys for supporting all year round. Love y'all.
So I've been seeing a lot of sweaters in the stores that have like Christmas sayings on them, all done up in sequins or like really pretty yarn, and I really wanted to do that as well. So I picked up this hot pink sweater, which I really love, and I had a whole bunch of leftover gold sequins, and I just printed out a font that I liked. I think this is Baguette Script is what it was called. But I wanted to do a saying that I could wear all winter and not just have it be Christmas themed. And I think it turned out really cute. I think it's just a fun way to glam up a very regular looking sweater. I am feeling extra girly today. Might be because of the sequins. But I want to make a little A-frame cabin, but not your typical A-frame cabin. I want it to be extra girly. I love cabins. I've never stayed in an A-frame before. I definitely want to stay in one soon. It's actually an A-frame cabin on Airbnb that I really want to stay at, but it's always booked. So I will maybe try in the spring to go stay at it. So I just picked up some pink glitter, which I will add to the outside of it. And for whatever reason, I want to incorporate a ton of ribbon. I think that I might do strips of it on the roofing. So that is what I'm going to be working on this afternoon.
Hey, darling. Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul, hold my hand, don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts, it wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair.
I just got finished doing a little spur of the moment photo shoot. I felt like getting dressed up today. I got this velvet turtleneck a few weeks ago and a sequin pencil skirt, which I'm so in love with. And I tried it on this morning and I thought that I would like to do a little New Year's Eve photo shoot in it. I love to take my own photos and then just play around in Canva with all of their different backgrounds. You just type in what kind of background that you want, and I wanted like New Year's Eve theme or like a tinsel background. I kind of like this one with disco balls, but I ended up going with this tinsel border instead. There was also a really pretty pink tinsel background that I used. I always find it such a random time when I want to do self-portraits, and so I never like sit down and book an appointment. It's just me and my camera, and I'm gonna do it today. 2023. What can I say about that? It has been full of ups and downs. I never in a million years would have thought that I would get to go to Disney World twice in 1 year. That was definitely the highlight of my year. But they were definitely much needed trips. I was saying to my therapist in my last appointment that I would have never known that my personal prescription would have been EMDR treatments and Disney World. I know that there's a lot of hate for some reason towards Disney adults on social media, which I don't really understand. I think it's just fun, I guess, to criticize them. But Walt Disney did build the theme parks for both kids and adults. I just think that as adults, we shouldn't forget to embrace our childlike wonder, because adulting is hard. It's very hard. And I personally believe that everybody reaches for something to cope with. And there's a lot worse things that someone could be doing than going to a theme park. I'm not going to make any New Year's resolutions this year. Every time that I kind of make a plan for my life, it seems to go the opposite direction. So maybe I should just plan for a horrible 2024 and see how that works out. I think we definitely have to be proactive in a lot of things, but I've learned that control really is an illusion in our lives. You can make all the plans you want and life is still going to happen and you're going to get thrown off course at times. I've been enjoying over the past few years just doing some traveling and letting go of this feeling of feeling like I'm behind in life. Normally I would be very anxious about that, and I'm not. I'm just kind of trusting the process and that things are going to work out how they're supposed to work out. And if I was meant to be doing something else or be somewhere else, I would be there. I hope you guys stick around over the next year. I have lots of little projects and stuff we'll be working on. I'm going to continue doing the hopefully weekly vlogging, and I hope you have a colorful day.